And then we started talking. It turns out he's a good talker, and I'm a good talker. And we had a long conversation, wide-ranging. I guess he was testing me out. And we had a lot of common interests.
But when I moved in here, I had one friend, Billy. She guided me through the first year. And by that time, I had quite a few friends. But then along came Bobby, and I was her ambassador. And we just clicked right away.
And in meeting Evelyn here, she was a joy. Because when I first saw her, she looked so cute and lovely, and she walked by. I couldn't help but take a second look because she was so different and so lovely, and very talkative, and enjoyed talking to people, making feel at ease.
And I feel Reba needs me a little bit, and I sure need her in my life, and I'm glad I have her. I
trusted my son-in-law and daughter that they would pick a nice place for her mother and me to live. And it turned out to be far better than I could have imagined, because I met this man, Roy, and this lady, Evelyn, who were a joy to be with.